Creating a study plan for exams often feels overwhelming, but AI chatbots can turn that chaos into a clear roadmap. By feeding the AI your syllabus, exam dates, and preferred study hours, it can generate a customized schedule that breaks each subject into manageable chunks. The real power comes from iterative refinement. You can ask the AI to adjust the plan based on your progress, like spending more time on weak areas or spacing out review sessions using spaced repetition principles. Some chatbots even allow you to paste textbook excerpts and have them quiz you on key concepts, effectively turning passive reading into active recall practice. The key is to treat the AI as a flexible assistant that adapts to your pace rather than a rigid calendar. Whether you're preparing for finals, certifications, or standardized tests, an AI-generated study plan helps ensure you cover all material while leaving room for breaks and unexpected delays. The takeaway is simple: let the AI handle the logistics so you can focus on the actual learning.